you're obsessed with fidgets like me, then go watch this video right now. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I just came from school and I have my fidget set in here. And I just got this. So I'm going to show you all my fidgets I got in my fidget set. So first, we got these pop tubes. They're really the most annoyingest fidgets ever. Here is how they work. Shh, be quiet. And then you have to put them back. Let's just stop it. Okay, we're done with those. And now we got this stress ball. It's not the best stress ball, but it's like made out of foam. It's I don't know what it is, but it's really squishy. It's kind of hard when you squish it. Next, we got these infinity cubes. I've been waiting for these. I love infinity cubes. My friends always showed me them, and I'm like, I want one. So it's really easy to open. So this is what an infinity cube is. So the metal ones are really more easier, but this is a plastic one. Like this, you just get to put it in a cube. Then you do this, and it's a rectangle. You could do a lot of stuff with this. It's really fun. Some poppets have hard sides and some easy sides. I think some of these are the neon, and I love collecting them because they're just so squishy and stretchy. This one, ooh, is this one a dog? Do you guys think this one's a dog or like a bear? It has a, yeah, I think it's a bear, but they're really stretchy. They're stretchy, squishy. This is a blue bear. They're kind of sticky when you get them, and they kind of feel like chalk sometimes. So that's the bear. Let's see this one. Oh, this one's like a chick. And you see it's really orange and neon kind of. And of course it stretches. We got another one. It's a fat seal. Wait, guys, look. When you squish in the bag, it kind of puts a square in the bag. Here's the fat seal. I think it kind of got a little squish in the bag, but it's fine. And stretch. It looks like, yeah, I think a seal. And it's a little curved from the package, you can see. It's white and then a cute little black bum. And the string. There's a 5 one where it goes big and then large and small. These are tiny poppets. So it's also a keychain, so you just you're gonna do that and you're gonna put it in the hole, go room it around, and then there you go. You can put it on your own little backpack to school. But sometimes they don't allow you to have fidgets. Next are these little needles. These are the big ones. And these are the tiny skinny ones. I've never seen these, and they look like noodles. So. Okay, so I have a green one, but this is not the green one. This is from the set. This is the green one. What marble mashers are is, so they're in a little baggie. Well, I don't know. It's like a sewed baggie, and a marble's inside, and you just mesh it all around in there. So here's the green one. Here's the red one. They don't really make that much sound. Then here's the two blue ones. Next we have these snakes. So this is the red one, this is the blue one. This is mine. I already have a blue one for my friend, but she wants it back, so since I have these, I can just give her this one back because this one's a mini one like that. And skinny. So, since you guys already saw the blue one, do I have to open this? No. Okay. The red one, I've never seen a red one, so. There you go. I'm a snake to this snake. Did you get it? Did you get the joke? Okay, that joke. So here's the red one. Ooh. Oh, this one's different. Now we got wacky tracks. Okay, so what wacky tracks are is just like you can make your name out of them. You can connect them. So if they break, if you think they break, well, they don't. So here, like you see that? So if they break, you can just snap them right back on. I would call them snakes, but I guess it's called a wacky track because it kind of looks like a track. And like you could make a circle out of it. Like see, this is how you're gonna connect it. Sometimes it's a little tricky. Okay, there you go. And like you can make you can make a square. Then like you can do that. You can bend it and like make it kind of looks like shorts and like cat ears and a little cat. Then this one is green. I don't know. This one's green and orange. This one's blue and orange. I've never had a wacky track. I've had a snake before though. I call these hedgehog rings because they're spiky. So what they are is they're spiky and they're like a hedgehog. Like I think it's metal. Yeah, it's metal, and it's like stretchy metal. It's like a ring, and you put it on your fingers. You're only supposed to have 3, but I had 4 accidentally. And then like you rub them together. Sometimes it just rubs on your hand. But yeah, they're really cool. And so next we got this like puzzle maze. Yeah, and it comes with a little ball. I keep playing with this simple thing. Okay, so oh, there you go. Why didn't I look at the opening? So it could be a keychain, but you just need a keychain. And so where's the ball right now? Oh, so you see that little metal ball. So you're just gonna try to get it to like the circles, to the like, you're gonna try to get it to that. You like move it around, see? Oh, and see you're trying to get it like through. So it's in the middle right now. If you could see it moving a little. Cute little pea pod. Now I have this one, and that's what someone was so mean in my class and broke my other one of this because I had 2 of them, and then they broke it, and yeah, they really broke it. So I have this one and then this one, and so what happens, you pop them out and the little faces come out. Ooh. Some, like the sides are a little hard sometimes. He doesn't have a face. This one has a face, cute face. This one, doesn't have a face. So the ones on the side don't have faces. Then the one in the middle has a face. Then you got these. So what these are bike chains. Yeah. So I don't know why they call it bike chains, but you just do this. Like I don't really. So you like twist it like a bike. I don't know. It's actually kind of hard to solve it. Like twist it, yeah. So we twist it. Twist. So this is a dark green, and this is just a light green. They're like kind of hard to like, you know, turn it around. I'm putting these together. I don't think you could pull them. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look how long it is. And then you can bend it and do this. Ding. Bye guys. No, not bye. Subscribe to this channel. Everything that was in the kit. That was everything that was in my fidget set. If you want my official opinion, it's the best ever fidget set. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you